Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to read about the important irregular verbs. List of important irregular verbs. We know that verb is the most important part of a sentence, and verbs are of two types, regular verbs and irregular verbs. The past tense and the past participle forms of most of the verbs are formed by the addition of D or ED to the simple present form. Such verbs are called regular verbs. For example, ask, asked, asked, talk, talked, talked, walk, walked, walked, accept, accepted, accepted, reject, rejected, rejected. These are called regular verbs. By adding ed or d to the v1, we are getting v2 and v3. Okay, so they are called regular verbs. But some verbs form their past tense and past participle forms in other ways, not by adding d or ed to the simple present. In other ways, okay, they are called irregular verb forms. They are called irregular verbs. Now, irregular verbs, they are very important. We must know v1, v2, v3 of some important, most frequently used verbs. Unless until we know these verbs, we can't get mastery over grammar. We can't learn tenses. We can't learn voice, speech, etc. So knowing about these v1, v2, v3 is very important. So what is v1 actually? The grammatical name of v1 is simple present tense. v2 is simple past tense. v3 is called past participle. So this is present tense, this is past tense. Past participle v3, it is used on only two occasions. Not much, only on two occasions. After have, has, had perfects and in passive voice. Okay, all these two occasions only we use v3. Okay, v1, v2s are very, very important. Now here we go now. So shall we start the list now? Okay, first we begin with A. We are going in the alphabetical order. So arise, arose, arisen, awake, awoke, awoke or awaked, beat, beat, beaten, become, became, become. First one, last one, same. Begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. All the three forms are same. Cut, cut, cut. Three forms are same. Now D. Begin with D. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Does also same. Does, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Can also be dreamed, dreamed. So can be regular verb also, both. Dream is both regular verb and irregular verb. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Now please turn over the page. Okay, next page. We have G. Get, got, got. Gotten is old form. Okay. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Have, had. Has, had. Hide, hid, hid. Also hidden. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit. Same. Hold, held, hurt, hurt, same. K. Keep, kept, kept. One more is there. No, new, known. K, no, W. No, new, known. Lose, lost, lost. M. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. P. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put. Same. R. Read, read, read. We have to pronounce like read. Same spelling, different pronunciation. Read, read, read. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Okay. Now here. Run, ran, run. Now yes. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Sing, sang, sung. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spend, spent, spent. Spit, spat, spat. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Sweep, swept, swept. Swim, swam, swum. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Now last one. Wear, W. Wear, wore, worn. Weep, wept, wept. Win, won, won. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. That is the last one. So these are very, very important. They are called irregular verbs. It is also called conjugation of the verbs. So writing V1, V2, V3 is also called conjugation of verbs. In some books, V4 is also found. Don't get confused. V4 is nothing but ing form. For example, for take, what is V4? Taking. For teach, what is V4? It is called present participle, teaching, ing form. Tell, V4, telling. Think, V4, thinking. It's very easy. That's why I have avoided it. I have not given it. In some books, it is also included. Don't get confused. V1, V2, V3, enough. So V1, V2 especially. So first column, all first column, they are called present tense. Second column, they are called past tense. And last column is not future tense. They are called PP, past participle. Okay. So they are used in passive voice. Passive voice. And after have, has, had. For example, he has taken. She has swum across the channel, Atlantic Ocean, like that. Okay. So India has won the match. Okay. He has stolen my purse, like that. After have, has, had, we use V3, and in passive voice also the lesson was taught by him. Okay. It was taken by me. Okay. So in this way, so V3 is not much used, only V1, V2, they are very important. Okay friends, okay students, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. These are very important. Please memorize these rules. Please memorize, please by heart these verbs. Okay, they are the basis of grammar. If we don't know these forms, we can't learn, we can't do, especially tenses we can't do. Voice, active voice, passive voice also we can't do, and the speech also we can't solve. So they are the basis of our grammar, especially for SSC and inter first year and degree first year students. These are very, very important. Okay, right students, thanks for watching my videos. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.